How the heck am I going to remove all the rust from my snippers? Well, let me show you. I'm going to go ahead and assume if you're watching this video, you have rusty pruners. You're going to want to grab your rusty pruners, or snippers. I've already cleaned these, but I'll show you what these looked like before. All you're going to need for this process is Walmart's finest white vinegar. It's cheap and effective. So all we're going to do is take a glass. It doesn't have to be Budweiser. It could be any of your favorite beer. You take the Walmart vinegar and just dump it all in there. Get that bad, foul smelling stuff all in there, all over that glass. Take your rusty pruners and simply drop them in there. After this, you wait 24 hours. I'll show you what it looks like after 24 hours. You got those little rust particles flying everywhere. After you're done with that, you simply take them out, rinse them under some water. After rinsing them off, there may be some little particles still stuck on there. So all you're going to do is take some paper towels, rub them off real good, just like that. And after you've scrubbed it off, you can expect them to look something like this. So now, to recap what I just went over. White vinegar, a glass cup, a jar, anything that you can find. Leave them in there 24 hours, wash them off, scrape the rest of the rust off, and voila, you've got a mighty fine pair looking clean. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's short, sweet, to the point, and really kind of stupid, but you get the point.